I thought I could easily fix the problem while the mechanism was on the clock, but it didn't work out, so I've got it out and tried to work out where is the problem. The problem is the weight for this, it does all the bellows, it does not work, it's stuck. So for some reason either it's broken inside or it's something else. So I made up this little stand, so it'll be easier for me to work out than in that clock. So we'll see what's going to happen. Otherwise I might have to take the whole mechanism apart to get to that. That's it, it works. Now I just have to connect all the bits and pieces and yeah. A little contraption to help me, because you can't hold the mechanism in one hand and try to unscrew or check to see what's wrong with it. So I made this stand that fits. You can see it from the front and you can see from the back, which is easier. You can take the gears off, all this when you can. Anyway, they all come off. It's because it's turned out. So you can take things apart where otherwise you can't when it's on in the clock, and you can see inside. You can see a lot of the works, the way it works. All that. See, it's very it's not a big deal, but it helps. Makes it easier. Disconnected from this little contraption. There's a couple of screws on it. There's 4 altogether, but I took 2 off already. Here's the number 3. Put it here. Okay, that's all out. There's that hole that goes in there. A little pin. I can't see what the pin is going to fit in there. See, this goes on top, like that. This pin goes in here and holds this little gear and the next gear. And it's so tiny. Yeah, there it is. The hole is there. Let me see one more. Very careful with this little tiny things flying everywhere. There's the hole there. It goes up that way. This way. That's why I don't want to, I always try to do it the easy way, but every now and then you get stuck with something like that and you can't do nothing about it. I can't even fill at least a little bit of the hole so I can push it in there. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. There's a needle there. It's through, but I need some more. That's it, a little bit more. Okay, I don't think that's going to come off. So yeah, I'm going to have a break. Took me a while, but the pin it's in. Take that off out of the way.